Hi folks, welcome to Walker Hamster. Marcus right now, he's very curious about a kitchen, probably because we don't really let him go in there. So we got a gate, and Lacey wants me to put in the gate. Now the width of our kitchen is just under 37 inches, so just one of these KidCo center gateways is good enough for us. And it's pressure mounted, we don't need to just drill anything. Just in case, we also bought a extension kit, but it says for 37 inches we don't need an extension kit. This is everything that came in the box. The manual, user guide, product safety, product inspiration. Oh, and these are the pegs. Let's see if I can open it up right now. Okay, so these are what's going to be pressing against the wall, and there's a rubber finish to it, so it's not just metal scratching against the drywall. It's good. Oh, it also came with these tighteners too, so it's already provided tools for you. Here's a list of all the parts that comes with it. The stoppers, the pegs, basically. Stoppers, the extensions. Then there's also these things. These are the ones that will work with these extra bars, basically to extend it so that it can then reach the 37 inches, like this. This came in the second box. That was also in here. The assemblies without the extension will just be this peg here. You insert a peg into the hole and take the half crescent, the half circle for the bottom, and for the top it'll be the full rubber stopper here. But since I am using the little extension that came with it, just take these out. I'm going to add these. I'm just going to first insert the metal bar. Then insert this piece here, the one that the extending metal bar will slide into. So, this little flap, little fin, goes on the bottom. Bam and bam. Alright, so I just need to, well, I'll need two hands for this to put this together. But hopefully you get the idea. And then for a half circle stopper, like this. Okay, the pegs are all in place, more or less. They just need to be tightened. Now to make it real tight, I'll just use this little wrench thing they provided. And I'll try to make it as even as possible. Basically spread out the gaps just so that both the gaps on the left and right side equal each other. And when you think you tighten it enough, take this little indicator, this thing right here. This indicator has a numbers in there. So to catch it, is numbers 3 through 6. Now this is like a pressure indicator. See how much force you would need to pull this gate upward, and it should be between 3 and 5. If it's above 5, a number higher than 5, you would need to loosen the stompers. If it's below 3, you should tighten it. And to measure it, there's a little hook, a little circle right here, and basically you just hook it onto here. And once you hook it on, that's how you can measure the pressure required to open this gate. Okay, so I'm hooking this piece into that indentation. Then I'm pressing the lock release. I'm pulling upward to see how much pressure. So right now it hasn't even reached 3 yet, so I need to tighten this.
Don't tighten too much at a time. Tighten a little bit by little. Press and release. Now see how much pressure it takes. So now it's at 3. So this is good. It could be at anywhere between 3 to 5. I'm just going to tighten a little bit some more. First lift it up a little bit. So now it's about 4 to lift this up. Okay, it's all set. Now on top of the door you'll see this little arrow symbol. It just shows you where to swing the door. Because you basically press this button here, lift up, and swing the door. Now, if you do not lift up this piece here, it just makes it a little bit more difficult for you to swing the door open. Doesn't totally prevent it, but just makes it a little bit more difficult. And another reason for lifting it up is to stop this peg, this little catch thing. So when the door is about to swing open, lift it out of this crevice, and swing. Well, thank you for watching this video. This was basically my installation of the KidCo center gate. You don't need any screws, drills, or anything. It's a pressure mounted gate, and I'm sure there are better child gates out there. Just that I live in a condo that's not mine, so I'm just going to use this for now. Thanks for watching Walker Hamster. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to send to me. Bye.
那个多甜你自己去吃。